Hi, this is the Huawei MediaPad T5 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the settings app and the Play Store app, and in the search pool we should enter the name of the application, the green Apple keyboard. So in the search pool let's enter the green Apple keyboard, and now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app and click to enable in settings. Near green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher and tap twice to OK. Then go back and click to switch input methods. Switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard, and now the process is finished. So let's just check our new keyboard look. Tap here to always and go back. And we could see that our new keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as the all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.